So hey guys, I'm back.
So we just did a practice round of the Nerf War Hunger Games. One gun is better than the other.
The white one's best. You can't record with the white one unless you're a maniac. So I'm gonna get the little gun.
So that's my corner. That's his corner.
Yeah, my corner's over here. His corner's over there. So yeah, check out our his channel. His channel's name is, he can say it. What's your what's it called? Channel's name. Say your channel's name for us. Miss, it's okay. I'm gonna be changing my channel, so my channel's Miss Heart to T-Bug. 2, 1. No. I'm grabbing the white gun. Why? So I'm a maniac for now. I'm left-handed for this stand. I mean, yeah, this is a heavy gun. I'm just killing. Fireflies! Wait, that bullshit gun is fast. So yeah, he won that game. So. I don't even know what to get him.
I'm thinking about getting a lemur.
I got my pet. It's called I got a ferret.
Yeah.
No, it's from my YouTube channel. There, you already know that because I showed you in the last episode my pet and all that. So yeah. Making a YouTube video about wars, Nerf wars. Yeah, I did too. Yeah. Yeah, left or right. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Wait, what about she records for us? Would you record for us? Here, my phone too. You hold us.
Oh, wow.
We hold our phones.
Double phone!
Okay, so you have to just hold it to us.
You just have to hold it
to dang it, mixed up. Can you hold this for a second?
My phone to me and your phone to
your phone stopped recording.
Okay, so guys, I will tie the videos together.
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Your camera stopped.
You're no longer the one.
Oh, you ran out of space. No. I'm just getting it alive. Hey, dude, your phone ran out of battery or something.
Dead, guys. That shows that this is the best.
Dead. Oh, dude, your phone came up with my alert.
Not enough memory. No.
Yeah. See, the longer you record the video, the more.
Yeah,
the more storage you take up. Still recording, sorry. Okay, you want me to pause?
I'm going to...
Oh, can I show myself?
I'm going to transport your view.
Yeah.
So... Let me just do a transport on your phone.
Is this literally a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
Okay, can I be on it? Like, dude.
Sure, why not? Sure. Okay, I transferred it to one phone screen.
Okay.
So, what's up?
Yeah. So this is Hector and what's your name?
Tristan.
Hey, there you go.
AKA T-Bug.
AKA Marissa Hart. I need to change my name. No worries, I will. In a previous episode until I get like more gigabytes.
Now the recorder is going to hide. I'm going to hold the phone. The recorder is going to hide the guns around.
Okay, so
we close our eyes and count.
She should get to hide have the phone. Like
yeah, so
I can
Yeah, you're going to hide the guns, and then I'm going to hand you the phone.
No, like while she's hiding them, so the people don't get
Okay.
Show them.
Okay.
Show her.
Show them where we are.
Okay. All right, over there.
Yeah.
Shh. Doing a YouTube channel. Yeah, I had them over there. They're pretty easy spots.
See where you hit him?
Wait, what?
Did you let the camera see where you hit him? Okay.
Yeah, I showed the camera over there.
Okay. You can't. Okay.
Okay. So give us the phone. There you go. Okay, so yeah. So while we look for the gun,
Yeah, this is really hard.
dang it. No, we have to find another one.
Okay.
And that's easy because it's right here. Why would you hide them in one same spot?
So it's going to be the girls versus the boys now. You just killed each other. Okay. Teams now.
Okay. Okay, let's let the girls pick whose team. Girls?
No, girls. B. Boys.
No. Like a girl goes on one boy team and a girl goes on another boy team.
No.
Because like.